Hey guys, so the rumored budget Pixel has just been announced today. It's the Google Pixel 3a and the Pixel 3a XL that's nearly half the price of their Pixel 3 phones. $659 for the 5.6-inch model and $779 for the 6-inch model, and it comes with two colors, just black and clearly white. To keep it priced low, it's packing a mid-range Snapdragon 670 and Adreno 615, together with a plastic body instead of metal. The important thing is the Pixel 3a still has the same Android OS, so experience will be pretty similar to the flagship. As for box contents, the headphone adapter and earphones are not included. Official cases are also for sale and the quality feels pretty good, but I will use the Pixel 3a with and without a case for comparison. If you have noticed, the notch is gone, but the bezels are a little thicker than usual, but it will take a few days to see if it affects user experience. Another physical difference is the bottom speakers are now facing outwards to the side, but still features stereo speakers. On the back, the edges reaches more to the sides compared to the Pixel 3. Using the switch adapter, it's pretty easy to set up the Pixel 3a. It will automatically copy your data to the new phone, but it needs to download all the apps from the Play Store. That's all for this short unboxing video. Stay tuned for the full review and I'll see you guys in the next one.